Hello, good morning, namaste. I'm Ganesh Man Lama from Kathmandu, Nepal. As promised, today I'm going to present a kind of presentation about this back to nature, a concept that we can create some power, energy by human physical power. So, it's my a try. I think if everybody will try on this, I hope and I'm sure that it will work. You will create something for the people, for the human being, for the living beings, and for the nature, how to save our nature. So let's start my concept. I'll try my best. I hope you will also do it yourself and do a judgment. Just try it yourself. No need of patent, nothing. It's just an intellectual, what to say, intellectual property, you may call it, or just let's share it, no problem. No need to make money out of this. No need to be a big human being, big power personal, or nothing else. Just it's a kind of humanity. Let's help each other. That's my motto. Thank you. And let's start it. If there is any mistake, you can erase it and you can suggest it. You can complete it yourself. But don't forget me. Okay? That's my request. Thank you. Let's start. Back to nature. I think you are seeing this, my handwriting. Maybe it's not clear, but I hope you'll understand it. This is human being. Or you can use any animal also, no problem. Okay? This is just for initial power. This is just for initial power, okay? Let's give a number to this, 1. Or you can use it, yeah, it's okay. No alphabet, just number 1. Then the human power or the living being power that we can use at any time, any place, any environment, we can use it. Any place, any time, we can use it. So, this is the initial power, the human being, animal, or any source. Okay? But this one should be natural one so that we can create use at any place. This power gives a presentation of starting initial power by any kind of lever or mechanical power. created by human. No electricity, no petroleum, no gases, no uranium, nothing. Just physical power only. So by lever, number one will create an initial effort. You can call it E. This is effort. Then after that, the effort makes a power generation. That is called a power. No energy. That this is initial power only. Power developer. This is a power creator. Power creator. As we pump it here, let's say by a hydraulic jack or hydraulic system or any mechanical power gear system, by spring, by effort, by any system, you have to create a here power from here by lifting or by any means. You have to make some develop here pressure from this part. This is a pressure creator. Okay, this is human power first. Then second here, we give a number of second here. This will create a pressure. The pressure created by this one, effort, will be developed here, the source. Then again here will come another part that is called pressure reservoir. This one is pressure reservoir that we give here number 3. First, second, and third. Here, the power, the liquid, or the pneumatic, the air, compressed by this power creator will contain here, will be kept here, all in this pot, all in this big chamber. What do you call? Okay, or we can call it also cylinder. The size may be differ according to our needs. So the pressure of the liquid compressed by here, first chamber will go to this second chamber. In this chamber, the upper part of this cylinder is covered by, filled by air. Okay? And this is a compressed air. The lower part of this cylinder is liquid. Okay, this one is liquid. This one is air, upper part, and the lower part is liquid. This may be hydraulic liquid, or water, or any liquid as you need, as you require, according to your project and requirements. So the first part, the air part chamber is a compressed one. It's a constant pressure here. No more or no low. It will keep only constant pressure. Let's say of 100 psi. All the time, when it works further, when it go to another work, this chamber will create only constant pressure to give pressure to this liquid, to compress this liquid, to push this liquid. The chamber, the first, this pressure creator developer will supply high press liquid to this chamber. The air, this one airport, this air is supplied from another powerful pressure pump. That is only one time. No need to change air all the time. Once you will fill the chamber, then it is used unless this is leaked out. Maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. If the air is inside, no leakage, it will work for long period. And time to time, you have to check the pressure here. Pressure valve, pressure gauge. It will have a pressure gauge here. All the time, the pressure should be same. No up and down. The liquid, the pressurized liquid will be supplied from here, and this will have a high pressure liquid here contained. Then this liquid will flow to the motor here. This one is hydraulic motor. This one is hydraulic motor. The inside one is rotor, and this motor size and the power can be changed or can be used according to your requirements, according to the power you need, from kilowatt to megawatt. It depends on the pressure and the power torque generated by the motor. Then this motor will generate power, mechanical power, to run a alternator here. The shaft is connected. It can be put in one shaft or by belt. No problem, as you wish, as you need, according to your RPM and whatever power, up and down, whatever you like. Then after this is called 3, 4. We can give 4 number. The number 5 is here is a device. This is power automatic distribution. This is this unit, power automatic distribution. How it works? See, this one has constant pressure and flow is also constant. The flow is also constant here. And the motor RPM is also constant. The RPM of the motor will also be constant. No high speed or no low speed. No governor required here to control the motor, to control the flow, because the power generated by this rotor from this alternator will be governed or controlled by this unit. And then this will go, the energy, power will go to supply lines. Lines, transmission, But how it works? The power generation is constant RPM. Suppose this generator provides 1 megawatt, suppose. Okay? 1 megawatt with constant, let's say 1500 RPM, or let's say 750 RPM. Anyway, the power is suppose 1 megawatt. This is a concept of generating electricity for peak hour. Peak hour generation power only, specially designed for this. Okay, after this, let's come back again this side. The power, the RPM of this rotor is constant. The pressure is constant. The pressure developer is also constant. Maybe we can use several power creator here, several tanks here, and give parallel supply, parallel connection. Many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 as you require. Pump here by several pumps. Effort created here by human by 1, 2, 3, or maybe 100, maybe 1,000, according to your requirement. From 1 kilowatt to megawatts, how many you require? You just continue fulfilling more and more. And at the end, please note that the pressure is constant, the flow is constant, the power is constant, and the RPM constant, electric generation is constant, and the voltage and supply is also constant. But here, what we have to think is the discharge. The discharge or use of generation also should be constant. This is not like hydro generation. When people need low power, then just generate little low current. But when you need more, then generate more current. This is not like this. This project is constant. the power should be used in total output capacity. If the power here is this automatic unit will work like this. If the consumption here in the outside output will be low, suppose from 12 to 10, then during this time, the 2 kilowatt power out of this 12 kilowatt capacity, if the output consumption is 10, then the 2 extra power will be used for this power generation or used for another purpose. Extra power. Because we cannot just use it and throw it, just produce and throw it. We have to use this power all the time because the power creation is very, valuable, This is human power. This is natural power. This is only we think we use for peak hour time when the power is at the top point to use, top necessary that time. So the 12 kilowatt power or megawatt power, whatever the power generates from here, should be or must be used by the public, this side, output side. If the public cannot use this, suppose they don't want more, just they consume it half, then the power goes back to support this power generating unit, to support this effort or support or use in the extra outside factory or in another needs, requirements. So, my friend, this is my initial thinking of power generation by a human being that can be created in North Pole or South Pole or equator or any place, in cold place, hot place, where there is in Arabic place also, or any place where you require your power of 1 hour, your power of half an hour will generate electricity for 24 hours. This is the imagination. This is called back to power, back to energy. No optimization too much. Don't be too much optimistic human being. Otherwise, monkey will kill himself one day. Don't go to nuclear power. Don't go to nuclear power. One day you will burst the earth, You will die yourself. Be careful. And I request all the human being, be human, not a ruler. Thank you. Ganeshman Lama from Nepal. Thinker, researcher, and concept designer. A simple man with a motto of simple living, simple thinking, and simple technologies. That's all. Namaskar.